Hey guys, so I will be doing a car tour. I forgot to do an intro yesterday because I was doing the car tour yesterday, so this is gonna be the intro. So yeah, hopefully you'll like this car tour, and if you want to see what's in my car, then keep on watching. Okay guys, so here is my car right here, right there. That's it. That's not, but this one, this is the Nissan Altima 2014. So that's that. So in the back it has dual exhaust right here. As you can see, it has dual exhaust right there. So let's see, so let's open this car, and then here front we have of course the steering wheel. So in order for you to start the car, like start the engine, it's a push to start button, so you don't have to, you know, like the normal one, to put the keys on. So you put your foot on the brake, and then that will automatically start on. So that's that. So here, like I said, this is the like the side of the door, like the driver's seat side. So this one is for you to change like the mirror right there. Just click if you want to in the right, and then in the left if you want to change the mirror, so like up and down and side. And then this is the, you know, to lock the door open, and of course to open the window in the side and also in the back. So that's that. And here I actually went to car wash yesterday, and I tried to clean my car as possible. So here is, you can put your like cup or like some trash or some, you know, just some stuff. I normally put my trash here. If I have some trash, I put it here, so I can easily just put them in the trash. So anyway, here, like I said, this is the steering wheel. It's the brand Nissan, and yeah. So here we have the odometer and stuff like that, like the speed, so you can see that's right there. And then here, when you click it on source, you can actually change like AM, FM, something like that. And then if somebody's calling, if your phone is connected to the car, it has a Bluetooth, or like you can put it on the iPad or something like that, it will automatically, you know, it will put right here if somebody's calling me, and then I can just click this one to answer the phone call. So that's that. And then I can decline. So right here is, if you click that, as you can see, there's different, let me just zoom it in. So it has the average, like the gas, like the driving, like, you know, the miles per hour and stuff like that. So here is the FM, warnings, and some settings. So I just normally put it on. Okay, so that's that. Like I said, my I can see my gas here, if that's a full tank and like until empty, but it will show me how many miles still I can still go, because it shows there I can still go within 112 miles, but I know my car. So anyway, here is the volume. You can press that volume to lower, and you can actually press that. I'm pressing it, as you can see it's getting louder, so I'm just gonna press that down. So that is here, and of course the blinker, and then some other stuff that I don't even know, but yeah, that's that. And also some buttons right here that I don't know what that is. So okay, when you, let me just open it. Here is to open the trunk, and then here is to open the hood. And no, this is for the gas. When you're about to get some gas, this is to open the gas, and then this is the hood. And then you can, that is the emergency brake. That's the gas and the gas and the brake. Wait, brake, no, that's the brake, and then that's the gas. Okay, I'm sorry. All right. And here, as you can see, I have my tripod when I'm vlogging. You see, when you see me driving, and I have my camera on. This is where I put my camera, which I'm using right now, the G7X. And this is the speaker. Right there's another speaker. So here, this is the emergency, what should I call that? Hazard emergency, yeah. And then if something happened, so here we have some, this is like the AC or heat, depends on you if you want it in your, all of it in your face, or just, you know, you can just adjust them. In here is like the CD, you can put the CD on and it will scan it. And here we have the radio, FM1, FM2, AM, PM, stuff like that. I like to listen on FM1, which is 93.9, or this 95.5. And this is the volume right there. And then here is, I think this is from the, the CD and the iPad menu. So okay, if I connect my phone in this thing right here, it will automatically read my phone. So if I'm listening, okay, let me just do it. I actually got this cord, you guys, at Best Buy. I didn't get the, let me just put this, okay, see, and then it says they're reading the iPad, and it will read, since I'm listening to Nicki Minaj, and it will directly, see, it will directly just read. So let me just take that off, so you can see like the it says album, the song, and the artist, stuff like that. Yep, it is currently 353. And then here is the settings, yeah, Bluetooth settings, stuff like that, like the speed, aux, volume, brightness, contrast, clock adjuster, everything. So that's the settings. And then you can actually add phone or device. What you're gonna do is just kind of like do this, like kind of like, yeah, like that. I don't even know what I'm talking, but yeah. So okay, delete phone or device, replace phone, select phone or device. So yep, that's that. So we'll go back to aux. This is for the aux, but since this car is already have a Bluetooth and iPad, I don't really need the aux. And then here is the CD, like I said, but we don't have the CD. And then that's the iPad right there. So we have here the heater right there. When you put it in auto, and the mode, you can actually put it if you want it heat right there. And then yeah, it really depends on you, like what, if you really what part of like the car you just want the heat. And we have AC, of course. And then it's actually dual, since so actually the passengers at the back can also feel it. So I'm just gonna turn that off for now because I don't need it. And then here is my bank account. So here I have all my savings, you guys. I worked so hard to get all of this money, so I'm just kidding. So here is some of the coins that it's, yeah, I have a lot of coins in here. Well, for me it's a lot. So here, like I said, to read the iPod right there. And then this is another charging cable. Is you can also charge in here. You just put the thing on it, charge your phone. Okay, yeah, so this is a must-have for me. It's either I have my sanitizer here or my alcohol. So that's that. And you can actually just close it like that, but I don't close it anymore. So here we have a cup holder right there. And then the extra storage in here, I normally just put my car key in here, and then phone in here. Let me just turn this off. Okay. And then, you know, 2 cup holders. And then this is where the drive sport, drive neutral, reverse, and park. So this is the shift when you can when you're driving, it's just automatic, so stuff like that. And then here is where I store some of the paperwork of this car and just some random shit over there. And this is my passenger seat right here. You can actually adjust the seat right there. You can just adjust it, but mine is already like it's an automatic adjust. You can just like push this right there. Yeah, it depends on you. It depends on your comfort. So that is that. And here, of course, like the mirror and everything. And somebody's calling me. Is this okay? Anyway, see, we have a like the lights, and then if you just want this light, that's that. And then if you just want that light, that's that. Some more speaker, and then I have a storage here for my extra glasses, just in case if my other glasses, just in case if I left my other glasses. So I have extra ones right there. So of course, like the mirror, and I have here my little tree vanilla aroma. Kind of like, I really like this smell because it smells like vanilla. So that's that. And then same thing, mirror right there. And then yeah, the seat belt. And then here is just some stuff that like receipts. I keep my gas receipts, I don't know why, but I just keep them. Stuff like that. My husband's business card, I have some of those. And then in the second, so here is where I keep this one. This is the wipes, like the protectant. So I clean my steering wheel and the dashboard with this one. So that's that. This is really good and smells so good, and it's not greasy. So more receipts, some CD, Chipotle. Is it just me, but I like collecting paper towels or napkins, and some, I don't know, random CD, random receipts and everything. And then there's extra, what is this? So you can charge your phone and shit right there. Just close this right there. So just like that. And then we'll go back. Okay, in the back here, this is it. I believe this is a cup holder right here, or like some extra storage if you have something. And then yeah, I can roll the window right there. And then another storage here, you know, but I don't really like have a passenger or something like that ride with me. But it's a good amount of like the leg room. It's actually good. Well, I mean, I'm tiny, so for me it's like a nice leg room. And then here, like the heat, if I want some heat or like AC, I'll just like roll them down, stuff like that. It's right there. And then the same is in the other side right there. Another storage. And then here we have here a cup holder. So this is a cup holder as well right there, and just put it back. And that's that really. And then I believe there's some, yep, the speaker here as well, stuff like that in the back. So, and then of course it's the front seat and the passenger seat in the front right there. Okay, moving on in the okay, this is where I normally, you know, like the gas, this is in my driver's seat. So I'll just, like I said, click the thing and then it will automatically open. And then here is my trunk. It's the Altima SV. It says pure drive. Since I have to, okay, I gotta open the trunk. I think this, yep, nope, this is it, the trunk. Let's see. And it will say door and trunk open. So it's the door and trunk open. Okay. So here I have some shit in this trunk. As you can see, it's because we went to the storage place that and half of this place is I'm gonna send it to the Philippines in my package. So that's that. And we'll be doing a video, another video for that. And then here, this is a must-have here because I live in Maryland. It's so cold in here. We have winter time, and it's just to scrape the snow or like the ice. And yeah, that's that. And I have some extra, I don't know why. Oh, I got this at the storage, that's why I just put it right here. And I need to put this inside the house. Oh, and I have here the Rain-X. This is the 2-in-1 all season. This is the windshield washer fluid. Have to have that here, just extra. This is my husband's shit. And then I don't know what is this. Okay, yeah, so over there some, oh, I have here this, my father-in-law got me this because if it's winter time, you guys, it really sucks, especially when you gotta drive. So I have to have this frost, they call it frost guard plus. So basically you put this in front of your, let me show it to you guys, hold up. Okay, so I was saying, so that's the frost guard. I think it's like the windshield cover. So yeah, I really badly need this because when it's snowing, I don't have to get up 2 hours early just to scrape off my window, and this will protect me. Like I said, this will protect me from scraping and getting up early in the morning just so I can see. So it will cover also like the windshield like wipers right there, so gotta put it all the way up there. So what you do is open and then right there, and it will protect it. Hold it right there and it doesn't move. Same as in the other side. Yeah, you just gotta adjust it. So that's that. I'm gonna remove it, it's not gonna snow anyway. So yeah, I just put it on the trunk. So anyway, I think that's that. I have some extra work shoes over there, and this needs to go inside that house because I will be doing a balikbayan box. What's in my balikbayan box, and just in case you get trapped at the trunk, just pull this out and you're good to go. And I actually, the cool thing or feature about this car, it has a backup camera. So right there, I'm gonna show you guys. So there's the back camera right there. So let me show it to you. I mean, I really don't need the backup camera because I know how to look in my if I reverse. So here you put your foot on the brake and then put it in the reverse, and ta-da, you'll see like the back, yeah, stuff like that. So it says check surroundings for safety, but sometimes I need it, sometimes I don't, so I really don't use them. So I believe that's that, you guys. So yeah, that is it for this Nissan Altima car tour.